I'm meteorologist Todd Klaassen. I want to talk a little about this winter so far and also look ahead to our storm system on Sunday, as the storm on Sunday could bring us more snow in one storm than we've seen so far this entire winter. So let's talk about the pattern we've seen this winter. We have two jet streams we typically deal with, the polar jet to the north and the subtropical jet down to our south. The subtropical jet usually provides us with the moisture for some of our bigger snows that we see here in central Indiana. While this jet stream has been firmly down to our south this entire winter, so the areas of low pressure move right along that subtropical jet through the southeast and then eventually up the east coast. The snows we've seen so far have been right along the polar jet with these little clipper systems that have come through, and they've only made their way through central Indiana every now and then this winter, and that's why we've seen only just over 5 inches of snow. But we want to make you alert for Sunday, as this storm system again could bring some hefty snowfall totals to parts of central Indiana. For most of it's snow, but the track is very important, and the model trends have been inching the area of low pressure further and further north with this system. What that means for you would be more in the way of mixing, especially south of Indianapolis, but accumulations, especially from Indy to the north, will be a widespread, probably 3 to 6 inches. So here's the European model. High pressure moves out during the day on Saturday. Saturday actually starts off with some sunshine, but here comes the area of low pressure out of the southwest, and the model trend today has been to bring this area of low pressure right over Indianapolis. Yesterday, it was further south near Cincinnati, which would allow more in the way of cold air to be in place. So what this new trend with the computer model signifies is there'll be more in the way of mixing across the southern half of central Indiana. So it's mainly snow from Indianapolis to the north, but certainly I do think at this point we'll get into some rain showers from Bloomington over towards Greensburg, and then once you get down closer to the Ohio River, we're probably mainly dealing with a rain event. So let's play it out for you on TrueCast, and keep in mind we still have all day Saturday and even the rest of today to fine-tune these, and the models have been going back and forth, so this is not a stone-cold solution here for the day on Saturday and on Sunday, but again, we want to hint you toward the model trends that are taking place. So from Indianapolis to the north, here we are at 10:30. We're dealing with all snow, some rain showers, and a mix of rain and snow to the south. Everybody goes over, I think, to all snow during the overnight hours Sunday into early Monday, and then it remains snow to the north. But here's the difference compared to the computer model runs this morning. Look how far north the rain comes in the mixed precipitation. It does sneak here into the metro area, so we'll have to keep a close eye on this and see if the trend continues through the model runs this evening and throughout the day tomorrow. But any way you look at it, most of the precipitation should come to an end by about 5, 6 o'clock Sunday evening. So if you do have Super Bowl plans, most of the accumulating snow will be done at that point. So here are our potential snowfall totals, and some significant numbers are still possible to the north. Generally, through the metro area and points to the north, I think 3 to 6 inches will fall. There will be some isolated areas the further north you go that I think can potentially get into that 7 to maybe 8-inch range. But here's the difference again to the south. Only about 3 inches in Bloomington and Columbus, get just south of that line from Bloomington to Columbus to Greensburg, and potentially hardly any snow. So again, this has been the model trend throughout the course of the day today. We just wanted to keep you updated on that. After this storm system departs, very cold air starts to filter in. Monday's high temperature is only 14 degrees. Tuesday morning, we will see low temperatures that'll be right around 2 degrees, and then a high eventually of 28, and another clipper system will be possible, it looks like, Tuesday night into Wednesday. Make sure you stay with Storm Team 6 throughout the remainder of Friday and throughout the remainder of Saturday as the storm system approaches central Indiana.